this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely card with the Oh Holy Night suite. Here's my 3D window card using the Oh Holy Night suite. I've been so excited to play with this suite because it's just beautiful, and it's another one of the mega suites. So let me show you everything that it includes. We will start with Stars at Night, and that coordinates with dies and a hybrid embossing folder that you can put your die in so it will cut and emboss your paper at the same time. Really, really amazing, and a lot of fun things that you can do with this hybrid embossing folder. The second bundle is Night Divine, and it has these really lovely sayings, and then dies with a stable, Mary and Joseph, and the Nativity, and some extra clouds, which is really fun. So I've used this die set to create this window card. So basically I cut out all the animals with the dies, and then I've placed them all inside, and some of the Oh Holy Night Designer Series paper and one of the stars, and then I used the Wishing You from the Stars at Night stamp set and Joy and Peace from the Night Divine stamp set. So let me show you how I put this together. So I started with a 12 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock, and I've scored it at 4 and 8. I've used the decal rectangles to cut out the windows. Since I'm folding this one in first, I wanted it to be a smaller square, and then this one is the next largest square. And I'm going to adhere this to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 crumb cake card base, so that this will coordinate with the stable. And then I will add some of this Oh Holy Night paper inside. This is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Now I'm going to add all the other elements, the camel, the nativity, the stable, the star, and the clouds, and everything. I'm going to use mini dimensionals to place these all onto the card. Okay, so now I'm folding the first fold, and I'm going to place the camel right about here. So I want to look at where his feet are landing and his back, so that I can glue those down. So I'm just going to use some liquid glue. I'm not going to pop up the camel, so I'll just do a little bit on his. And I forgot I wanted to add some clouds up here, so I cut out some clouds in Misty Moonlight. So I'm just going to add them right up here. So we've got our camel, so now I'm going to fold this piece in, and we'll put our sheep right there, our little lamb. And then we will put some adhesive on the bottom of the donkey. So while I'm waiting for this to dry, I wanted to show you the other items in the suite. There's this Night of Navy gold glittered ribbon, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I'm so excited to use it. And the star trinkets, unfortunately, are sold out, and so is the Oh Holy Night Designer Series paper and Shining Brightly Designer Series paper. It has been very popular, and now that it is retiring, it has sold out. But you can substitute starry paper or any other paper that you like for the background. So for the Joy and Peace at the bottom, I used it from the Night Divine stamp set, and I used the banners Pick-a-Punch to do the ends. And then the Wishing You actually comes from this sentiment right here, Wishing You, I only inked up the wishing you part. So basically you can mask part of the stamp by using a post-it note and only inking up the wishing you. And I'm doing that by just using the corner of the ink pad. And then don't forget to remove the post-it note. And we're going to be cutting this out anyway, so it's not too big of a deal if actually you get ink on the other part of the stamp. So then I just trimmed out wishing you and used dimensionals for both that and the joy and peace. And to keep this closed, I'm just going to use some round magnet discs. I'm going to take a negative and a positive out, and as you can see, they are definitely attracted to each other. And it has a little bit of adhesive on the back, so I can just peel off the backing. And I purchased these on Amazon. They're called Basic Gray spelled Grey, and they come in a set of large and small. I prefer the small ones for cards, but you can use the large ones for more like 3D items. So I'm just going to place that right there. And now I have my window Oh Holy Night card. Get my Oh Holy Night class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.